Okay, that's not a cardinal. I don't know what kind of bird that is. If I can get a little closer to see, to focus on that. I don't know what kind of bird that is. I mean, it's got the head of a cardinal, but it doesn't look like a female cardinal. Oh, try to get a little closer. If I focus in too much, it gets out of focus. I don't know. It may be a female cardinal. A young one, maybe. No, I doubt it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Looks like a bird butt. I can recognize a bird butt when I see one, but it's a pretty cool looking bird, whatever it is. And that's the reason why I put the food up there. Mr. Squirrel doesn't eat it all. Anyway. Oh, there you go. Thanks for watching. Because I was watching.